Hello friends and car enthusiasts.
This video is about a bagged 86 BMW E30 on BBS RS Rims restoration. It's a fully restoration project. Owner changed almost everything on this BMW with OEM parts and looks amazing for a old BMW. You'll see all the change through the video. I hope you will see nice ideas and you will inspire from this project.
Remember, all these videos on this channel is made only in collaboration with the car owner and only with his approval. So if you have a project with your car and you want to show that project here on this channel, you will find in the description all you need to contact me.
Leave your answer in the comment section below. What change would you make to this car to make it look better? What do you think he is missing? Do you think it will look better with another change? What change? Did you know 82 years drive Alan Swift, a Rolls Royce from 1928?
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell. In this way you will know every time when I upload a new video. Bye bye.